Hello, and welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of keyboards with the Perixx PERIBOARD-117P wired PS2 full-size keyboard. Let's take a closer look at what this keyboard has to offer. First off, let's talk about design. The Perixx PERIBOARD-117P boasts a classic design reminiscent of the IBM model, making it perfect for those who appreciate a nostalgic feel. Its sturdy build and integrated curved membrane keys provide ergonomic support for long typing sessions. But what sets this keyboard apart is its big print letters. With keys that exceed 10 million keystrokes functional life without fading off, you can rest assured that your key labels will remain clear and legible over time. In terms of functionality, the PERIBOARD-117P features a full-size layout with a built-in numeric keypad and 3 LED indicators. Its native PS2 connectivity ensures compatibility with classic-style PCs and devices. Typing on the PERIBOARD-117P is a delight, thanks to its tactile key response and right spacing, which makes typing more enjoyable and efficient. Whether you're using it for business or personal use, this keyboard is built like a tank to withstand the test of time. And don't just take my word for it, with over 660 ratings and an average rating of 4.2 stars, customers love the size, performance, and value of the PERIBOARD-117P. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, full-size keyboard with big print letters and classic design, look no further than the Perixx PERIBOARD-117P. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content from UK Pro Reviewer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.